be good. Even the best of us have been misunderstood. So get up on your feet. The sun is shining, repentance through the leaves. Its rays will wash.
You guys have been asking for it. So today I'm gonna make a farm vlog with my sister. She's taking Baron's place today.
Yeah, I am excited.
My time, all I like good talking is starting to rhyme. I'm letting go along.
These are all numbered, and this is the amount of bunches that we have to get.
Okay.
Yep.
Just can't get enough of this beautiful life.
Perfect.
And we lift the thing around back it up.
You do not have to be known. Even the best of us is sometimes felt alone. This whole world is your home. So reach out your branches, lay your roots back to the soil, and watch the rain help you grow. I'm walking slowly, I'm taking my time. All I like good talking is starting to rhyme. I'm letting go of lonely, letting go of strife. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. I just can't get enough of this beautiful life. Oh, you look so amazing. Your hair, it drives me crazy. Dreaming of God on a sandy shore. Saved by amazing grace, or maybe my lack of faith. The seasons change, but they come back the same. They'll wash you clean with their rays. I'm walking slowly, I'm taking my time. All I like good talking is starting to rhyme. I'm letting go of lonely, letting go of strife.
Thanks for having us.
I just can't
Later.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks.
Thank you.
We'll see you next week.
Yeah.
Thanks.
life, oh, give me all you can.